Hey, this is Brian Young with ProTinkerToys.com. I'm just now looking at one of my new RC cars of two I got, and this is by Subotech. I got these at a great show. I bought a lot of them, but I got them at a great price. This is the Tornado, okay, and this is your midline RC car, okay, and there are three classifications: low end, which is Walmart, which you use regular AA batteries, or midline, and then high end. Okay, high ends are over $300. You know, the parts, you know, mostly are all metal and some nylon and all that. This is just a great starter RC car. Okay, metal gears, metal differential. It has a 7.5 mil battery in it, so you can recharge it quickly. You don't have to use AA batteries. Okay, and that's all inside of there. And I got that. It got it all ready here. So this is big, and then you got your nice remote, 2.4 gigahertz, so you can sync it. So that's your car. And then now watch this. Four-wheel drive, as you can see. So hey, you know what? Let's go outside real quick and see how this thing runs. All right, let's go. Come on. Yeah, come on, come on, come on. All right, here we go, 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 here we go. All right. Look at that. Holy cow. Oh, battery popped out. I lost the battery. Pretty sweet, huh? And of course, it's real easy. You just pop the battery right back in. I didn't set it in there correctly to begin with. Oh gosh, gotta quit pulling the trigger on it. Gotta get that popped in there. There's a little safety button here that I didn't push here. So you stick that back in there like that. And make sure it's in there flat. Don't want to rush it. Actually, I'm American, but that was a joke. Don't want to rush it. You flip this way, and that locks your base plate in there. Okay. Check that out. Holy cow! Okay, here it comes. It's going to come right at you, buddy. Get on the ground there. Get a good cat neck. Here we go. Here we go. Oh! Okay, so this is our new Tornado. This is the Tornado. And we got two versions on it, ProTinkerToys.com.